Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Cruise Tech Videos here with another quick tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install 7-Zip on Windows 10 or 11 computers. Without further ado, let's go to the video. First, open the web browser and I am going to open Firefox from here and search 7-Zip. The first result is 7zip.org. Click on it to continue. There are many download options and I choose the first one and click on it to download. Now the setup file is downloading. Then open the downloaded file from here. Yes. And click on install. Now 7-Zip should be installed on our PC. And I am going to search the file location here. And finally create a shortcut to the desktop. Now 7-Zip is ready to use. Thanks for watching this video.